What's good? I think we're here with truck content. It's a first ever. But this is gonna be a video about my wipers. So this truck has like little to none problems, but the one problem it does have are those wipers, man. And let me show you. So when I get in, they still work. So when you use your wipers, right, you have the delay modes. You got max mode, you got all the delays. So if I go to put it in a delay mode, it gets stuck in the middle of the windshield until the next rotation. But in max mode, it'll constantly go. And therefore I'm thinking it's the wiper motor and not the whole fuse box that is typically the issue, because normally when it's the fuse box, your wipers don't work at all. So I'm gonna hope it's not that. If it is that, I'll fix that regardless. But let's do the wiper motor. So let's start tearing all this apart. This is the one I got. That's the one I got. But yeah, let's get to taking these windshield wipers off and taking the whole cowl off and swapping out that motor, because that motor is right in there somewhere and it's all behind there. And I have no tools here, so I'm making do with what I got. And Alex is over there doing manual labor because he has something dragging. So yeah, let's get working. Now this cowl is going to be held on by a series of push pins, for example, and there's gonna be like one there, one there, one there, one there, and one there, like 4 or 5. So then you're gonna take off those and unbolt the take off the nuts on the wipers, and it should all come right out of there. So 15mm socket, wipers come off, kind of just finagle them and they'll pull off. They're on splines, so you just pull straight up, don't twist, don't do anything, just pull straight up. You gotta bend them a little bit. After that, this whole cowl should lift up out of here, and then you just gotta undo those 2 corner pieces that are like kind of like hooked in, and then it should pull out. And then on this truck particularly, you got these. So I haven't done this, so you might have to undo that. Let me check. All right, so you didn't have to take off any of the washer nozzles or any of that. GM was nice enough to give you some extra slack. It runs along the whole bottom. So if you wanted to, you could take it off right there. I think I might just try and keep it on there, because GMs be fragile sometimes. But there's access to our wiper motor. So now all we got to do is take out those bolts, unplug it, which I can do right now. If I can get my fingers in there. Plug it. Wait, there's a clip on the back right there. Push it down, comes right out. Push clip comes out, and that can just be tucked down there for now. So now I'm not sure how. Let me check the new motor. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and take out these bolts. These, I believe they're 10 mils. I need one right there, one right there, one way over there, and that should finagle right out of there. Because we need to get the bolt that's underneath there that connects to the top of that right there. That's crazy how small that is. Look at that. It's like not even like, and that's like the thread. Like what? No wonder they break. All right. Once you got it wiggled out, don't move it. Don't move anything. Don't move anything. Put it back how it goes in, just like this. Boom. And then don't move it. All right. So then now you're gonna have to undo this right here. Don't move it. Undo these. Don't move anything. This thing has a home position. You don't want to move it. Once you move it, you're cooked. You'll have to. It'll take a long time. So undo this and undo these. Those go in the back, or like the front, whatever position this is, the motor. That's what holds the transmission on the motor. So now you're gonna flip it upside down from where you had it before when you took it out. and leave it like that. So leave it like this. So undo this, undo these. All right, guys. So obviously make sure you test. He's over there brain rotting, I don't know. Make sure you test it a bunch of times. My home was off, so I had to refigure that out. I fixed it, I had it flipped, so it was off again. But then you'll see, you just test and you just test. But you're just gonna rebolt the thing on where the other one was. If the home is off, then it's gonna be kind of destroyed, but hook it up to the truck, make sure it's on home, and then yeah, just bolt it up the way it came out. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it works. My issue is fixed. I'll finish all this and show a finished product, I guess, or like throw it all back together and show what it looks like and show it fixed. All right, after hitting it with the whole dictionary of cuss words, got it all wrapped up. Got the windshield wipers working. Tripping me out at first because I didn't have them tightened all the way, and because I was just testing them. They kind of started like strip out a little bit just because the splines, but it's all good. Tighten them down and they work amazing. Watch this. So we got normal wipe. And it's tight. Spray some on there. And then we got delay mode. Yes, sir. Before it would get stuck in the middle. They almost seem like more glued to the windshield now too, which is crazy. But they want to seem like the wipe better. Maybe just because it's dry out, but I don't know. They work. That's all I care about. This dinghy is annoying, but all the delay modes work, all the speeds work. So it wasn't the fuse box, it was the motor. Sick. It's like a $50 fix. Cool.